Ding dang goo. Ding dang goo. Ding dang goo. Ding dang goo. It tastes good.
Fruity.
Fruity.
Oh, shit.
Is it okay?
Back of my throat.
It doesn't help. It's chemical. It's too hot to even have an ice cube in your mouth. Time for some hippopotamus?
I feel myself getting healthier.
Stronger? How's your courage?
Courage is good.
Building? You didn't even have the seeds in there. But the flavor, though. Excellent.
No, it's not good. It was alright.
The flavor.
Oh.
You're in flavor country now. Is it more or less hot than that pizza?
It's, I don't know, more?
It's hotter?
Yeah.
The thing is, you won't die.
No, I will be fine. Wow. I'm seeing red. Wow.
Well,
Every time I blink, it's red.
I'm right here.
But it's not like anger red. It's just
No, I know, it's actually
hot.
actual red. I know it.
Godly red. Okay. It's going away. It's going away. Oh, it's okay now.
Smile. So, did you make it? The heat's gone?
No, not yet.
It's not even 2 minutes.
I want to gargle ice. Back of the throat. Holy moly.
Well, don't worry. I go next. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're posing.
Ooh. Oh, the ice feels good. And then
It makes it feel hotter, though.
it doesn't feel good. But I don't know what else you're supposed to do.
Good ride, though.
It's going away. But,
So you're okay? Maybe some more nice spicy papadum?
yeah.
You okay?
Get away from me.
Yeah, the stuff you do with your mouth is funny. So, I guess I'm up next.
If you sigh a lot, I think it helps to get the wind flowing, because it's like you're actually breathing fire.
Plus, it's hot. It's like 30-some degrees, so.
Oh, I feel cold now. I don't feel as hot as I did.
Good. You still look hot. Alright, I'm gonna let this fade out to black. You won. But what a price.